Alright, hey YouTube, this is, right here, probably wondering, where'd I get this? Well, I found it in the garbage today. And actually, it does work. See, I wonder when I first got it, why it, you know, I found it in the garbage, right? It's old, it's a gold star, I think. Wait, no. I think that's what it is, yeah. Look at the cover. I don't trust this thing right now. Gold spot. No clue. But it does seem it's not, pressure's not run right now, but it does work. It has some Freon in it. Yeah, coil very smashed up. Fan works. It's 5,000 BTUs. It takes 800 watts. High, medium, low, the knobs. Temperature, which actually that's what I found out it actually bad. Because if I move that wire around right here, the sensor wire, for the evaporator coil, it does work. So I don't know. But when I got it working, this started to freeze up. Right here, it started getting ice. So it could be low on refrigerant. But it was throwing out heat at the back. Not right now, but maybe it'll kick back in later. I think it kicked off because it realized there's ice on it. I was really nervous when I first tried to plug this thing in. But maybe I can, if I can bypass that thermostat, maybe, I'm not sure of what's making this thing do this, but right now it's blowing outside temperature air. It's cold out here too. I'm gonna shut it off. See, the thermostat cut it out. Yes. Yeah, this is like old Gold Star. See, if I mess around with this temperature sensor, it gets this thing to click. Probably got some sort of override delay or something like that. I don't know. I'm not planning on putting this in my window anytime soon unless I know it's working. And this old sucker, so I don't know if I trust it. Try this again. Three speeds. Real beat up coil. There's a filter, or the fan grill, and the filter's over there. If you guys can help me figure this out. I think it is the thermostat though. If I'm not mistaken, it is a thermostat. But it was icing up too, that's kind of the funny thing. Although I wouldn't doubt it, all these smashed up coils on the back. Maybe I should try to straighten them out before I run this thing again, eh? It's awful smashed. But really, even with all those coils smashed up, should work. Yeah, I was really surprised I found this. I've been looking for one, just to mess with even. Yeah, it's 5,000 BTU. It is, let's see if I get the model number. Model number 106.7400581. Serial E3367049. I think that is 4. 115 volts. 830 watts, 7.5 amps, and 5,000 BTUs. 21.5 ounces of R22, which I'm not sure if it has that much in it. I'm thinking it might have a leak. it does, then bye-bye. No way keeping this thing if it has a leak. I even found a wiring diagram inside it. This way. I thought maybe, I don't know. At first when I plugged in, it actually did nothing when I turned the knob, but after playing with it, I messed around the knob some more, the fan turned on. But that was it. So now later on, I've been messing with it, found out thermostat it's what's making the compressor not run. I'm not sure if I can get this compressor to even run again. I'd like to get it run. Right now, it's not doing it for me. Whoop. Nope. See, it's supposed to click when you turn this knob, and I did have it clicking. It's kind of stiff. Yeah, so anyways, maybe I'll get another video I will get another video if I get it working again. But for right now, that's it. I just want to tell you that I found it in the garbage. We'll see what we can do with this thing. It is a Gold Star. Here's the front of it. It's kind of busted. Filters over here. Disgusting. And then here's the front panel. So yeah, we'll see what we can do with this thing. But I don't think there's much. I don't think I'm gonna have much luck here. This thermostat's driving me nuts. Maybe I have to bypass it or something, man. I don't know. Temperature probe probably shouldn't be touching this. Anything could be the problem here, and after I just saw it freezing up, I know it's working. But it just freezes up. Hopefully it doesn't have a leak. Maybe it's just these coils. I straightened some with my fin tool, but silly air conditioner. Why can't I just find a perfect working one here? So yeah, it is a garbage find. Hopefully I can get it working, at least for fun, I don't know if I trust this in my window. So here's the back coil once more. I did have it open, and the compressor is in here. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. I have a feeling I can't do much for it, but hey, at least got a fan motor, if nothing else. Fan works great. In and out. See, we got a little exhaust thing, but that busted, kind of. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. Over and out.